Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a common task for XRP holders: sending your XRP from Gemini to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make this transfer seamless and secure. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving assets around, this guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike. First off, ensure you have active accounts on both Gemini and Bitrue, and that you have some XRP in your Gemini wallet. Also, double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in 2025's crypto landscape. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Withdraw or Transfer section, usually found in the main dashboard. Step 2. Select XRP from the list of available assets. Gemini might show a variety of cryptocurrencies, so pick the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Enter the recipient address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to the Deposit section for XRP, and copy the wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one to prevent losses. Step 4. Specify the amount of XRP you want to send. Keep an eye on any withdrawal fees or minimum limits. In 2025, these can vary, so check Gemini's fees page first. Step 5. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and any network fees. Gemini will likely prompt for your 2FA code here for added protection. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. Once you hit confirm, your XRP will be sent via the XRP Ledger network. It might take just a few minutes, but could be longer if the network is busy. After that, hop over to your Bitrue account to verify the deposit. A quick tip: always use official apps and double-check everything to steer clear of scams or errors. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. Thanks for watching, folks. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.